Dear children, in this video we are going to continue with chapter number 8 and the topic is distribution of population. Now population of Africa is unevenly distributed. What is unevenly distributed? Unevenly distributed means that the population is not in proper proportion. More people live in the coastal areas and the fertile alluvial valleys and urban centers. They do not live in deserts and interiors. The reason behind this is that deserts are dry and hot and interiors are the same. They have, and the prevailing winds do not reach the central part. The offshore winds also do not reach this part of the continent. Therefore, people do not like to live in this part of the continent. And in 2005, the population of Africa was 900 million, which is less than India. The density of population in Africa is 32 persons per square kilometer. You refer to the map over here. You can see the lighter color is, represents the persons per square kilometers. So all these, the boxes are for the representation of persons per square kilometer. You can see the lighter color is people. Less than 10 people per square kilometer live in such area. See, you can search these areas. Then 10 to 50% per square kilometer live in the areas which are in orange, and above 50 people live in these coastal parts. So you can just see the population distribution. Next is talking about the languages and religions. You'll find Bantu languages is famous in Africa. Swahili and Zulu are two Bantu languages. Okay, and is spoken in Swahili is spoken in many parts of Africa. Arabic is also spoken in the northern part. People of Dutch descent speak Afrikaans. English and French are the other important languages. You can note it down. Then talking about the religions, you'll find two religions very common in Africa, Christianity and Islam. And you'll find in the northern part, people are mainly Muslims, while in the southern parts, they are Christians. Right? There are also a variety of traditional religions based on animism. What is animism? Animism is a belief that natural objects such as rivers, rocks, they have presence of some spirit or soul. So people worship nature, ancestors and spirits. That is what animism is. Then talking about the natural resources, you'll find Africa has variety of natural resources. You'll find many species of animals over here, different types of forest over here, variety of soils over here, and water and minerals are also found over here. So and 22% of Africa is covered with forest. You'll find many resources over here that benefit local communities as well as commercial. They help local people as well as they are helpful in commercial purposes too. The equatorial forests have hardwood trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood and African walnut, and you'll find rich sources of timber over here. On the eastern coast, you'll find Zanzibar and Pemba. These places have coconut palms. Then we have copra and coconut oil are the chief products. Okay, then in Western Africa, you'll find oil palm trees from which palm oil is produced. Right? Date palms are mostly found in oases. Now you may underline the oasis. What are oases? Oasis is a fertile or green spot in a desert or wasteland. And this is made so by the presence of water. Next is Egypt is the largest producer of dates in the world. So you may underline this. Then talking about the natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? First of all, natural vegetation can be defined as plants and trees that have not been grown by humans and have originated from the natural environment that you know very well. Then most parts of Africa are warm or hot, but rainfall varies from region to region. As you go away from the equator, the rainfall will decrease. And most of the Africa lies in tropical or subtropical region. Keep in mind. The highest temperatures of this continent are measured in desert regions of the Sahara, where daytime temperatures reaches up to 50 degrees centigrade. You'll find nights are quite cool and frosty during the summer. And as I was telling you, the coldest regions of Africa lies in the eastern highlands and southern Africa. And please, children, please note it down. Plant life is also influenced by the amount of rainfall. So, the north and south of equator, you'll find tropical rainforest, and you'll find thousands of plants and animal species in this place. The rainforest it consists of vegetation from shrubs and ferns on the ground to trees that grows up to height of 50 meters. Indirectly, all varieties of vegetation will be found in this region. So in the next video, we'll continue with the next topic. We'll end up over here.